Hello,
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Okay, good. I am Aisha.
Okay. I'm Sultan from Saudi Arabia.
Sultan. Okay, sure. So I see here in your
Yeah.
profile it says you're in United Kingdom. Are you are you there on a like work or study program?
Where? United Kingdom?
Yeah.
I don't know why does it show United Kingdom, but I have never been there.
Okay. Sure. So
Yeah.
you're in Saudi now.
Currently, I'm residing in Saudi Arabia,
Yeah,
but originally I'm from Pakistan.
in Pakistan. Okay, nice. My husband's actually from Pakistan.
I beg your pardon?
I said my husband is from Pakistan.
Oh, wow. Which city?
From Peshawar.
From
Mm,
Peshawar. Okay.
yeah. How about yourself? What city are you from?
I'm from Karachi.
From Karachi. Okay.
So, have you ever been to Pakistan?
No, not yet. Since all of Corona, we have not had a
Mhm.
chance.
Okay. Okay.
Mhm.
So how often does your husband go to Pakistan?
So he hasn't gone because of Corona at all since he came here. Yeah.
Okay.
Because my government had quite strict lockdown rules.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Okay. I understand.
Exactly. Yeah. We're
Yeah.
hoping to go soon
Mm.
though.
Yes.
Hmm.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Yeah. How often do you get to go back?
Since the Corona started, I have never gone to Pakistan,
Hmm.
but in January I went in 2019.
Okay. So what is the laws at the moment for Saudi Arabia and travel?
We cannot travel. No flights are coming from Pakistan. But the government has announced that they will lift the ban on 27th of May.
27th May. Okay, so maybe 2, 3 weeks.
Yes,
Mhm.
and then everything will be quite normal. So schools are open in your country?
So it's open on like a different system. So not all children go to school every day. Each child goes to school 2 times a week. So they can
Okay.
divide up how many people are there. I think in Saudi Arabia, schools are
Uh,
open again now.
yes, the schools are open, but students don't go
Mhm.
to schools. Only teachers go and give online
Yeah,
classes from
yeah,
school.
exactly. And do you have kids there in Saudi Arabia?
No, I don't have
No children.
children.
Okay. Yeah, same here.
What language do you speak at
So,
home? Pashto
so
or
in
English?
with my husband, you mean? Okay, so I
Yes.
speak English with him because I'm learning Urdu.
Okay. And he speaks Urdu.
Yeah, he speaks Urdu and Pashto and like three other languages. I'm not sure. Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, lots of he said there's a few
Yeah.
different local languages in Peshawar.
So how good your
Oh,
Urdu
it's
is
very
now?
low. I can basically just say like how are you and I'm good.
Is it also difficult for you to understand Urdu? Or you can understand but cannot speak?
So it's difficult for both. We have not been married very long, so I have not learned because he only speaks English with me, so it's a bit difficult to learn.
So how
His
is
English
his
is good,
English?
yeah, mashallah. When I first met him,
Wow.
it was not
Yeah.
so good, but now it is like very good, yeah.
I think you must have
Mhm.
taught him to
So
speak
his
English.
job is in English. So he practices English every day. And like you, he went to English school. So for me, it's just like sometimes he makes errors or like doesn't know a word. So kind of fixing the errors he always makes. So just a little bit, but not really teaching.
Okay. I think the most important thing is in order to learn any language, to speak it
Yes,
and
exactly.
practice.